On a rainy Wednesday morning, that's the day that I was born in that sharecroppers wondering country shack. Well, they say my mammy left me the same day that she had me. Said she hit the road and never once looked back. But I guess I ought to mention that my grandma's only pension is the reason why I'm standing here today. I got all my country learning, living and churning, picking cotton, raising hell and baling hay. I've been Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born yesterday. I got a good Christian raising, 8th grade education. Don't need y'all be treating me this way. Let's go now. Sweet Perrine, guess I'll never find another woman put together like you are. With that wiggle in your walk and your big city talk and in your brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car. Well, let's hurry up and wait in this world of give or take. You know, haste makes waste every time. And I pray to my soul when I hear those ages roll. You bet I'm gonna get my share of mine. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising, 8th grade education. Don't need y'all be treating me this way. I'm gonna pick something. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising and 8th grade education. Don't need y'all to treat me this way. Tag it. Don't need y'all to treat breaks. Yeah, woo! Yeah, we're gonna have to do this more often.
Yeah,
for sure.
This is fun.